is doing great. Today we are going to start with the next questions of chapter number 4, fractions recap exercise. We are going to continue from question number 4. Alright, so let's see what question 4 says. It says that express the following mixed fractions as improper fractions. So we have already discussed about what are mixed fractions, what are improper fractions. Mixed fractions are those fractions which have a whole number and a proper fraction. When there is a whole number and a proper fraction, we call it as mixed fractions. And what are improper fractions? Improper fractions are those fractions where the numerator is greater than the denominator. Those fractions are known as improper fractions. So, all the mixed fractions can be converted into improper fractions. Let us see how. See, question number 4, A part is 5 is whole number 2 upon 7. It says this is a mixed fraction where we have a whole number and we have a improper fraction 2 upon 7. To convert it into an improper fraction, what do? We multiply the whole number with the denominator and to the product we will add the numerator. So what I did, I am going to multiply the whole number, that is 5, with the denominator, that is 7, and to the product I will add numerator, that is 2. And the denominator, an improper fraction, this answer will become the numerator and the denominator will remain as it is. That means 7. So it is 5 multiplied by 7 plus 2. The answer of this will become your numerator and denominator remains same. So what is 5 into 7? 5 into 7, 35. 35 plus 2 makes 37 upon 7. So this we have got an improper fraction where the numerator is bigger and denominator is smaller. I hope you understood this. Let us try one more part, B part. It says the whole number is 4, numerator is 3, denominator is 8. Again we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So what I will do, I am going to multiply the whole number with the denominator, that is 8, and to the product we will add the numerator, that is 3, and the denominator remains same for the improper fraction. So 4 into 8, 32. 32 plus 3 makes 35. So it will become 35 upon 8. So here again we got the improper fraction where numerator is greater than denominator. I hope you understood how to convert improper fraction, how to convert a mixed fraction into the improper fraction. We have done A and B parts. C part everyone can try by yourself. Now let us see question number 5 where it says that reduce the following fractions to their lowest terms. Now what do you mean by lowest term? The lowest term of a fraction means that the numerator and a denominator will have only one as their common factor. There cannot be any other common factor of the numerator and denominator. Only one is their common factor. At that time it is said that the fraction has been reduced to its lowest term. Now how we are going to reduce the fraction to its lowest term? In that case, we are going to divide the numerator and the denominator by their common factors until we get to know that only one will be the common factor now. Till then we will keep on dividing the numerators and the denominators to their lowest term, like we did for finding the equivalent fraction using division. Okay, let us see this question number 5, A part. It says 25 upon 35. We have to reduce this fraction to its lowest term. Now you all can see one's places are 5. So their common factor will be 5 is their common factor. Let us divide 25 and 35 by 5. So 25 upon 35 divided by 5. When I divide 25 by 5, I will get 5. But 35 divided by 5, I will get 7. Now, the numerator, their equivalent, it is an equivalent fraction. Numerator is 5, denominator is 7. Look and see that whether 5 and 7 has any other common factor other than 1. 5 and 7 both are prime numbers. Their factors will be 1 and number itself. So, the factors of 5 is 1 and 5. Factor of 7 is 1 and 7. So, their common factor becomes only 1. In this, that means we have reduced 25 upon 35 to its lowest term, where they do not have any other common factor other than 1. Let us see B part now. It is 42 upon 48. 42 and 48. Even numbers can be divided by 2. But and what else? Where can else we divide them? What will be their common factor? 6 can also be their common factor. We know that 42, 6 7s are 42 and 6 8s are 48. So can we divide them by 6 directly? Yes, we can. We can divide them until we get their 1 as their common factor. So I am going to divide 42 and 48 by 6 directly. You can divide by 2 also, and then in that case, if you are dividing by 2 in that case, you have to continue the division until you get the 1 as their common factor of numerator and denominator. Here I have divided 42 by 6, I will get 7, and when I divide 48 by 6, I get 8. Now 7 and 8. They do not have any other common factor other than 1. So again this has also been reduced to its lowest term. I hope it is clear to you all. Whenever we have to convert it into lowest term, we divide by their common factors. Also, you can do one more thing here. You can divide by them by their highest common factor, HCF, which we have learned in class in chapter number 3. Yes? So, you can use that method also to reduce them into lowest term. Now, let us see our next question. Question number 6. It says, add the following fractions. Some fractions are given and we have to add them. Okay, let us see A part. It says A part is 4, 1 by 8. Which fraction is this? We have a whole number and a proper fraction. So it is a mixed fraction. Plus 3, 2 by 8. 3 is the whole number, 2 by 8 is your proper fraction. So we are given two mixed fractions and we have to add them. So to add mixed fractions, first step is convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. So very first step is convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions. And we have discussed already how we can convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. We are going to multiply the whole number with the denominator and add the numerator. The answer which we will get will become our numerator and the denominator remains same. Now next 3 multiplied by 8, whole number is multiplied by denominator, numerator is added to it and 8 is the denominator remains same. Now let us see what we get. 4 8s are 3 upon 8 plus 3 8s are 24 plus 2 26 upon 8. Now here we are having two fractions. Yes, both the fractions denominators are same. So whenever a fraction whose denominators are same, group of fractions whose denominators are same, we call them as like fractions. When we have to add the like fractions, the denominators will be added of both the fractions. We are going to add the numerators of both the fractions and the denominator will remain as it is. Denominator will remain as it is. Simply add the numerators and the denominator is going to be 8 only. Denominators are not added. So 33 plus 26, you will get 59 upon 8. Yes. Now which fraction is this? It is an improper fraction. Numerator is bigger, denominator is smaller. When we get improper fraction, always convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. So divide the numerator and the denominator, convert it into mixed fraction. When you will convert it into mixed fraction, 7 will become whole number, 8 7s are 56, 3 will be the remainder, 8 will remain denominator. So this is your answer, 7 3 upon 8. I hope you understood. Whenever we have to add improper mixed fractions, convert into improper fractions, add the numerators if the denominators are same, and if the answer is coming as an improper fraction, convert your answer into mixed fraction. Let us see B part. It says 10 upon 12 plus 4 3 upon 12. Again, this 10 upon 12 is a proper fraction, but 4 3 upon 12 is an mixed fraction. Convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So let us write 10 upon 12 as it is, plus convert this into improper fraction, 4 into 12 plus 3 upon 12. Again 10 upon 12 as it is, plus 4 12s are 48 plus 3 51. It becomes 51 upon 12. Now again they are like fractions. 12 is their denominator, both the fractions, so simply add the numerators. 10 plus 51, denominator remains as it is. Okay, 10 plus 51 becomes 61 upon 12. 61 upon 12. Now the answer is an improper fraction. Numerator is greater, denominator is smaller. Whenever we get an improper fraction, convert it into mixed fraction. When you will convert it into mixed fraction, 12 5s are 60, 1 will be the remainder, 12 remains as it is. So it becomes 5 1 upon 12. I hope you all understood how to add like fractions. Now let us see our last question of recap exercise. Question number 7. It says find the following. So it is given as 8 upon 11 of 66. Yes. Now here there is no operation mentioned. What you have to do? Of means, but it is written off. Of means to multiply. Of means to multiply. So what we are going to do here, see, it will become 8 upon 11 multiplied by 66. Okay. Now 66 is a whole number. There is no denominator below it. What you can write? You can write 1. Now see, what I will do, write my numerators together with the multiplication which we have, can we divide our digit with denominator? Yes, we can divide 66 by 11. I can write here like 11 ones are 11 and 11 6 are 66. I can write it like this. 8. I have divided 66 by 11. 11 becomes 1. 66 becomes 6 after dividing. Now, what we are left with? 8 into what we are left here with 6, and in denominator we are left with 1. So it becomes 8 into 6 plus 1. Now multiply the digits which are there in the numerator. 8 6 are 48. And the denominator is 1. That means whenever the denominator is 1, it means it is a whole number. We can skip writing 1 and it becomes 48. That is your answer. What we did? We converted off into the multiplication symbol. Then 8 into 66, 11 into 1, 11. Then I divided 66 with 11. 11 ones are 11, 11 6 are 66. And after that we are left with 8 into 6 and in denominator we are left with 1. So 8 6 are 48 and that's your answer. Let us see B part as well. It is 4 upon 9 of 63. So same step. 4 upon 9 of becomes the symbol of multiplication. 63. Nothing is there below it. So write 1 as the denominator. Now write them as numerators are multiplied. 4 into 63. 9 into 1 is 9. Now again check. Can any number in numerator be divided by denominator? We can. 63 and 9 can be divided. So it will become 9 ones are 9. 9 sevens are 63. Alright. So now what we are left with? 4 multiplied by 7 and in denominator we are left with 1. 4 into 7 becomes 28. Denominator is 1. You can skip writing it. It becomes the whole number. So 28 is your answer for this question. I hope you all understood how to do this. In every question I have done A and B parts and C parts of every questions are your homework. Try them at home. Thank you everyone.